We specialize on refuse with high speed. About 3 years ago, we present our R3D brand in the market. We almost covers all the types of filaments, and from PLA, ABS, PTG, nylon, and a lot of kinds. We specialize on refuse with high speed very well with R3D since last year. They goes 100% compatible with Bambulab spools, and if you don't have this kind of spool, you can download our spool. This design, we designed it and we have shared it on Maker World. At this exhibition, we brought over 200 kilos of refuse free as gift to French people. Yeah, it's super cool. I really love R3D city idea, and this unite us together, and it makes me feel that what R3D needs to do is to keep the quality consistency and to support R3D. Yeah, we'd love to come and to meet more French people. Yeah, see you.